All right, let's talk about angles of a triangle. And in class, we learned how the angles of a triangle equal 180. So when they equal 180, we can do a couple of things. In this case, we have a triangle with the two angles on the interior given, but we're trying to solve for x. So algebraically, as we bring some of that in, you can watch as we solve for x. I take all three angles, combine like terms, inverse operation, and we solve for x, making it 18. Now, in this case, I want you to try to solve for x for the given information. At the bottom of the form, you're going to be able to input your answer for number 1, A, B, C, or D. So record that answer, and let's move on. If we apply some more algebra, now you'll see we have a different triangle. Some given information is now we have the value of x and x plus 28. And then this measurement right here would be 90 degrees. So now we're going to show you how we would solve for x in this case. We know that it equals 180, so we're going to take our three angles, add them together to equal 180, combine like terms, and now we have a two-step solution where we would solve for x. Once we get our value for x, we then take that value and plug it in to find that the other value of the angle is 59. Take a second and answer the next question, solving for x. Record your answer, and at the bottom of the form, answer that question at the end. Once we do the interior angles, the three interior angles, we also talked about how we can have an exterior angle. The exterior angle is simply one of the sides being extended, creating an exterior angle outside of the triangle. Each interior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So if you look here, 155 is the exterior, 90 and 65 would be the interior. If we add these two together, it equals this. Very simply put, if we know the interior is 180, so is the straight line that contains it. So if this is supplementary to the question mark, then it would also have to equal these two, as those two are also supplementary to the question mark. Let's solve for x. X is the exterior angle. We have 136 as the two non-adjacent interior angles. What would x equal? Hopefully you found that x equaled 136 because 100 plus 36 are the two non-adjacent angles. From there, we're going to take it a step further with some more algebra. Here we have the angles of 2x as the exterior and the non-adjacent being these two. Let's solve for x. First, we set 2x equal to the two non-adjacent angles, combine like terms, and solve for x. The exterior angle is 150. The other interior angle is 70, and then we can prove that 70 plus 80 does in fact equal 150. Take a second now and solve one on your own. Record your answer at the bottom of the form. And one final bonus question for triangles. How many triangles do you see in the picture? Once you have those answers, answer the bottom of the form and hit submit.